Hello everyone, and welcome back. Did you know that your mood and environment can play an important role in your pumping experience? Before you start pumping, try to find a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Feeling rushed or stressed may make the session feel less comfortable. Take a few slow, deep breaths and give yourself a moment to unwind. Some parents find it helpful to listen to calming music, read a book, or simply sit quietly for a few minutes before pumping. Having everything you need nearby, such as your pump, water bottle, and storage containers, can also help you feel more prepared and comfortable. It's important to remember that every pumping session is different. Some days may feel easier than others, and that's completely normal. Try to be patient with yourself and focus on creating a calm and positive routine that works for you. Most importantly, make your comfort a priority. A relaxed environment can help make pumping a more pleasant part of your day.